How to use Rocket Lawyer estate plan properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Creating an estate plan with Rocket Lawyer is convenient, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can cause disputes, incomplete coverage, or legal complications. The first mistake is not including all key documents. An effective estate plan should have a will, power of attorney, healthcare directive, and trust if needed. Relying on a single document leaves apps in protection. Another common error is failing to appoint backup executors or guardians. Life is unpredictable. If your primary choice is unavailable, having alternates ensures your estate and children are properly managed. Many users overlook asset details. General statements like all personal property are vague. Clearly describe real estate, bank accounts, and personal items to prevent disputes. Neglecting proper execution is another pitfall. Rocket Lawyer provides instructions, but failing to follow state-specific signing and witnessing rules can invalidate your estate plan. Follow instructions exactly. Finally, some assume once completed, the plan never needs updating. Life changes, marriages, divorces, children, or major financial changes necessitate regular reviews and updates. To use Rocket Lawyer estate plan properly, include all necessary documents, appoint backup executors and guardians, detail your assets, follow execution instructions, and review regularly. Avoid these mistakes, and your estate plan will protect your loved ones effectively.